So my dog's snoring really loudly. I don't know if you can hear her or not, but let's see if we can. And then Button, she's just kind of chilling. But Olivia's really out. Here. Yeah, she's kind of funny. Anyway, good night.